Welcome to BTEC Revision. In today's lesson, we're looking at velocity. By the end, we will be able to calculate the velocity of objects. Velocity is a measure of the displacement of an object divided by the time taken for it to get there. The units for displacement are meters, the units for time are seconds, and therefore the units for velocity are going to be meters per second. Because the units on the right-hand side of the equation must be equal to the units on the left side. We can also write the short form of velocity as v equals s divided by t, where v stands for velocity, s stands for displacement, and t stands for time. Let's look at an example. Calculate the velocity of an object that moves 10 kilometers for a time of 300 seconds. We'll start by writing down an equation, velocity equals displacement divided by time. And we can plug in our values. Displacement is 10,000 meters. Time is 300 seconds, and that should be a value of 33.3 meters per second. Now, pause the video here and attempt this exam question. The question is asking, if an object moves with a velocity of 10 kilometers per hour for 10 seconds, what is its displacement? The first thing we should know is that velocity is not in the correct units. So we will need to change that. We know velocity 10 kilometers per hour. So we want the units to be in meters per second. So we can replace kilometers with 1,000 to give us 10,000 meters. And that's divided by an hour. And an hour is 60 minutes. And that's 60 seconds in each minute. So that's 60 times 60, which is 3,600 seconds. And that would give us a value of 2.78 meters per second. Okay, now we have the velocity in the correct form. We can write down the equation, velocity equals displacement divided by time. And the question is asking for displacement. So we would need to rearrange this equation. Multiplying both sides by time would give us displacement by itself, and that's equal to velocity times time. And we can plug in our values. So velocity is 2.78 meters per second, and then multiply that with time, which is 10 seconds, and our answer would be 27.8 meters. And that's the end of the lesson. If you'd like to boost your grades, visit us at btechrevision.com, where there's more quiz questions and a lot more resources available. See you next lesson.